Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with power and pairing so the remote can talk to Google TV. Insert fresh batteries and power the TV, choose the correct HDMI. Once the TV is on, press and hold the remote's pair button until its LED blinks. This puts it in discovery mode. On-screen pairing appears quickly. Select the remote name. You do this because pairing creates a secure Bluetooth link. Without it, buttons won't register. If pairing doesn't start, try another battery set and repeat the press. Once the remote appears on screen, select it and confirm any numeric code if prompted. This verifies you're connecting the right device. Make sure you accept voice and input permissions so the remote's microphone and special buttons work. If the TV doesn't show the remote, move closer and retry pairing. Alternatively, use the Android TV remote app on your phone to navigate and finish setup. It mirrors the physical remote and helps you change settings. This step completes the logical connection and enables all smart features. Now test navigation, play /pause, back, and voice search so you confirm full control. Once done, open Settings, go to Remotes and customize button mapping or sensitivity to match your preference. If some buttons fail, remove batteries for 10 seconds then reinsert. This often clears a temporary fault. Make sure the remote is within range and not blocked by objects. As a last resort, factory reset the remote by holding pair and back for 10 seconds. This resets pairing and usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.